Hi, I am Amelia Duaryanto as a leader group.
Hi, I'm Kesha Livia Zahira.
Hi, I am Miftahul Febri.
Hi, I am Nifa Mahira Putri.
What is an argumentative text? An argumentative text is used to express opinions, ideas, a position on a subject with the aim of persuading the reader or listener. They are texts that present a series of arguments to convey a point of view and convince the reader.
Next is the general structure of argumentative text. First, introduction. It is in this part where you must express your opinion about the subject you are going to deal with in an attractive way. In the introduction, you should make clear the thesis. It is the idea and the point of view that you are going to defend throughout the argument. Second is development. This is the part of the argumentative text where, as the name suggests, the arguments to support the thesis are presented. It is therefore the central part of the text and the longest part. And the last general structure of argumentative text is conclusion. The conclusion is the last part and serves to close the text. Its purpose is to reinforce once again the main point of view presented at the beginning of the argumentation. It also serves to present for the last time the benefits of everything you have exposed throughout the text.
There are 6 types of argumentative text. The first type is advertising. This type of text seeks to persuade readers and audience, for example, such as advertisements for drugs or other products. The second type is academics. It is usually written by experts in the field. They are aimed at a more niche audience and can be dissertations, research articles, argumentative essays, and reports. And then the next type is journalism. These texts are argumentative and expository in nature. They include texts such as opinion and editorial. And then the next type is letters of recommendation. This is a text that speaks in favor of a specific person. Aspects such as talents, virtues, and skill are highlighted. And the fifth type is press release. It is usually a text of public interest that aims to convey a specific message, action, communique, or event. They are often occupied by big figures, politicians, and celebrities. And the last type is legal text. They are based on the restrictions and rules governing the authorities of the country where they are written. It has a legal basis for all procedures, for example, appeals, lawsuits, or court decisions.
How to create argumentative text? First, topics. Search for and correctly select the topic you want to create your argumentative text on. If it is a thesis, due to its volume and complexity, we recommend that you choose something that you have. Second, introduction. The introduction is the beginning of your project and it should be to outline the hypothesis and problem and be interesting enough to engage the reader. Third, questions. You can use questions to raise issues that revolve around your research topic and generate your hypothesis. Take a clear stance. Since this is an argumentative text, the position you take determines the direction and focus of the project. You have to define and articulate it clearly to try to convince the reader.
Example of argumentative text.
Should college education be free? College education should be free for all students. Education is a basic right and the key to success and prosperity and making it accessible to be a better society. Countries that provide free education in college have higher rates of college graduates and more educated workforce. Providing free college education for students will reduce the burden of student debt. Opponents of free education in college argue that it would be too expensive for the government to provide. The benefits of a more educated population will outweigh the cost in the long run. Smoking prohibition by MUI. Recently, the MUI Indonesia Ulema Council issued a fatwa that smoking is forbidden and should be avoided. Smoking causes a variety of reactions in the community. The society is divided into two groups in considering that fatwa. But many people agree with MUI and the others do not agree with MUI. The party who agree with the fatwa assume that smoking is very dangerous for humans because it can cause various diseases like impotence, internal organ damage, death, and many more. People who do not agree with the fatwa assume smoking is one of their rights which should not be bothered. For us who can think certainly can determine our position on the issue. Based on these facts, do we still think smoking is cool?
That's all the video presentation from our group about argumentative text. Thank you.